People, I all travel all foot Marcia Campbell, rock and come in. I all travel all foot Marcia Campbell. Now guys, me hear Marcia Campbell come out for Mixy Diva, you know. And you know people, me start for wondering to myself saying, yo, is that Marcia? I get worse and worse day by day and she nah so she do. Now people, we know say Mixy Diva is a page on Facebook and she share a lot of nice video over there. So now you know me hear Marcia Campbell accuse Mixy Diva of calling her a scammer. So I say Mixy Diva put out something and say, oh, the cap fit, make them wear it. So that means that she never did a call her no scammer. You see me I say? So apparently Marcia Campbell get the thing wrong. And we all know say she can't read and write, she fully done Jamal behavior. Now, I'm surprised for no say Marcia Campbell that want come out for Mixy Diva of all person on social media. There's so much other person on social media where she could have come out for, but she decided to come out for Mixy Diva. When say Marcia Campbell is a raw idiot, people. Marcia Campbell is a rascal idiot. I mean, nah stop say that. I mean, nah stop say that, people. You know say you're not a scammer, so why you address the lady? The Marcia, you know you're not a scammer, and you know say you're sure of that. Why you come off with Mixy Diva? Because you know say it's a ratted scammer. You know say you scam the people their money, and you not come out and address it. That's why you want to come out and address Mixy Diva. Without the woman alone. You see the woman do her thing, and the woman like she don't have to eat you. She put out the video them, she put them out and put credited by Marcia Campbell, credited by Erica the landlord and thing. And she now put this thing and go like she want this you. Me I tell you that because I up on her page several times. So you look somebody for trouble. You see me? You look somebody for boy. But you need to go boy your own God Almighty self and thing, because your members only people them now sending no money at all for your Christmas. That's why it's so miserable. Yeah man. That's why you so miserable. Them now send the money come give you so you can get to do this and do that. You see me? But you need to leave the lady alone. Don't wanna do her thing, man. And our thing will grow. Our page will grow. I mean, in no way enough farm and thing, the lady don't want to disrespect you. You see me? And it's not something I pick up for her, but I go up on her page on a daily basis. I see the growth she put in. I see the positiveness over this. So. And enough people can confess to that. But one thing with you, MC, look like say you're broken now, and the money now make, so you come out and forget some content for continue life. You see me? But you need to take out your problem on the girl. You need to put out the stress on the girl, because the girl have a life where she live, and you know look good if you don't say a big woman like you are coming some things. You see me I say? Yeah man. But guys, this is what I always tell them about, you know. Social media is not a real place. You see me? So yeah, Mixy Diva say, it's me you have strength for I never called you a scammer. But if I you own it up. You see me? I summarize that, guys. You see, sometime in your life, you have to know what you do. You have to know what you say out your mouth, because guess what, me know? Sometimes you say some things out your mouth and you regret it. Sometimes you disrespect some people you shouldn't disrespect, and then your thing end up flop. You see me? And Mixy Diva one impressed on social media when I tell you, people, she shares some nice video. You see me? She shares some nice video, she edit the video them good. You see me? I have to give her credit for that. Yeah man. Don't to one day them heal her up and tell you go on their thing. You see me? You can ask her, me heal her up, people. Because when I see good things I want me to highlight it. But you can see it's a MC frustrated. You can see it's a yo, she under pressure. You can see it's the people them a prayer so she a scammer. And she don't want to come out and address it. I shocked for no say she really come out for the girl. I shocked. You see me? But you know when you can't read and write, you probably think say a salt when a sugar. That's how full Marcia Campbell is. She don't know A from B, nor C, nor F and anything. Fully Jamal. No joke thing about that. So when you hear the artist named Jamal a sing song, yeah man, just know when yourself say I sing for Marcia Campbell. She don't have no sense. back at the class settings. You're too dark for a big man. Oh, you really want to go for Mixy Diva? I mean, I understand that thing, man, people. Don't man me never hear her voice yet. I never hear she do a video and talk, nothing at all. Honestly, people. So why would Marcia Campbell need to call for your name? She don't call Ashanti 360 name. She don't call somebody else's name who she name my enemy. She don't call Tina Chin name. Why the woman name? I say you love growing and fast with people. Remember me tell that MC, but you know who for trouble. See me? And I hope and pray say Mixy Diva cut back by you. Yeah man, I put in your place. Because if you're in a scammer, what you respond back for? If you know in a scammer. See me, and if Mixy Diva put out a content and it basically address something regarding scammer, your picture did it. That means you're a scammer? No. But guess what I know? I saw it on. I love run anything. I love run certain things on social media now, so now do. But MC can sit your ass down. If you're a big man, you come like an overgrown cow. That me I tell you say. So you see time you sit down and talk about Mixy Diva, you go look content. Yeah man, because you look like you come back on the scene now, you come trouble people, you know. You come to give trouble, but it not gonna work. It not gonna work when I talk on social media. We don't want to hear from you, MC. Leave the woman alone. You see me? I better they come for somebody else and thing because that lady didn't open her mouth. She just share video. And if I want picture you come out for the woman fan thing, something definitely wrong with you. You're in a screw on for your body. You need a rotted lick in your head to have some sense. You see me? Because you feel like you can't fool nobody with a peanut brain. The people them know what going on social media. They ain't no idiot. The people don't see a broke. Yeah man, them don't see a broke and you want it. You see me? But I could leave it the time. Go and trouble people. You see me? Go and get yourself in a mix up and pass something. Remember. You hear people attack and care and call people name. You see me? You've got to sit your ass down, man. Sit your ass down and drive in your one car and go do way you do one thing and keep your safety yourself, man. You want somebody for cuss. You want somebody for in an argument for. You see me? You want somebody for in a passa. Why? I notice, you know, anybody at all who put that video, a picture for you, you know, like you come out and come chat to you and chat say. See me? Because you feel like you in control, you feel like you are the big members only. You're nothing but a joker, but you're entertainer. Entertain what? You can't even entertain a crowd of 5. Much as it's entertain a crowd of 25. You see, say that big bird on social media. You're the big yellow bird that comes on Sesame Street. You is the big yellow bird that comes on Sesame Street. You're just big and crusty and full of beer mouth. You see me? Yeah man, beer mouth full of people. She would have come out and say this and thing and go actually want to come fool people. But we done so I go on. We ain't no idiot. MC can't treat nobody. MC can't treat nobody none at all and thing, guys. So best up on yourself, yeah man. Best up on yourself. Tell you again, MC. Leave Mixy Diva alone. You not talking to somebody who not put on a video, who not talk about you. You can't use a picture. You see me? And a judge where you want to judge something. You need to go take up your book. You see me, I say, and go learn to read. Go learn to read, man, and thing, man. And start making yourself look like a big dance on social media, guys. So best of yourself as usual. Rock and come in. And then leave on the top down below. Remember to subscribe. It's very, very important. Make sure you draw a sub. You see me? So when you drop new video them, only can get them first. But make them go and wish for the worst people. Things will happen. You see me, I say? And it's not about good things. So guys, best of yourself, yeah man. We chat soon. Stay safe and do the right thing. You know? Because in ideas turn up people. If you want to do the right thing, all shall be well. But MC, no sir. You know, stop trouble the lady. She go on here, guys. I saw it go. Them are content. Blessings.